Good evening, guys. Alano B, the billionaire, the big brand. As always, you guys must go and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Alano B, the billionaire. So this evening, you all know that I've got a lot of veggies. If you look this side, these are cabbages and sumawiki. I have tomatoes there and all those kind of crops. So this evening, what we are going to do right now, this is our black night, what we call managu. So we have several of these, but right now we want to do what we call pruning. So we are late for pruning because we needed to prune these things when they were still young, but we are late. So we will not give up. So what we are doing like this so that we allow this managu to form more branches so that we can harvest more. So this particular evening, this is what we are doing. This is what we are doing exactly. So let me tell you, one thing is, I have a friend of mine, Eugene. So he said, it's always good to have something that you are selling to the people. So I'm selling this to you. So these ones, even if you're in Nairobi, I'm going to be packaging and sending them to you. And I hope I'll be getting good prices so that I can deliver this to you guys. And if you're within, I'm also welcoming you so that you can come and pick them. You know, these are very nutritious. The people who love traditional veggies, this is what is on demand. And this is very expensive. This is, in Nairobi, this is 10 bob. I know, this is 10 bob. In fact, not even this is 10 bob minus this. So this is 10 bob. So if this stem, if I combine this stem like this, uh, like this, you can all see. I think this should be around 50 shillings. This one, okay? And you all can agree. So I'm your boy Alano be the billionaire. You guys do the do before the do does. That's a quote from Jam Jengo. That's my guy. I like his videos. So you guys can order this and I'll get them delivered to you. Peace.